welcome to the first at-home algorithms design challenge. So, when people design video games, board games, sports games, before they design it, they think about what rules that the game is going to have, and they incorporate that when they design the game and when they figure out how people are going to play the game.
Here are some words you will use throughout the lesson. Pseudocode is coding with everyday words. The input is what you tell the computer, and the output is how the computer reacts, based on its algorithm. Brainstorming is coming up with a lot of ideas. A process is a set list of instructions. A thermostat is a device that tells the temperature inside a building.
So your challenge today is to design a game that contains two different algorithms and make your own game at home. Criteria and constraints. Design a game for a teammate or someone else at home to complete that contains two different types of algorithms. Design an algorithm that contains specific directions that are repeatable by another person. At least one algorithm should have a sequence of directions that does not require feedback. And then you have to have an algorithm that does require feedback or input. The game should involve solving at least one type of problem or puzzle, and there should be different outputs based on the inputs. You experience things every day that use algorithms to make things work around your home and in life. Algorithms can be used to achieve different outputs or outcomes based on input, processing, and output. Inputs are sensors or data that can alter the path of the directions and create a different outcome. For instance, if your mom tells you to clean your room before you go to your friend's house, the input is a clean room, and the output is getting to go to hang out with your friend. But if the input is a not clean room, if you don't do what your mom asks, then the output would be not getting to hang out with your friend. So the input changes what the output would be. Now it's time to use your knowledge to have some fun. Developing algorithmic thinking skills using games and strategy can be a fun way to improve directions and decision-making skills. Problem solving using math or other logic problems can also be a fun way to increase algorithmic thinking skills, like a maze or a puzzle, Rubik's Cube, word problem. You can be as creative with your game as you want. Look around your home or another environment for objects to have fun with, them using as inputs to make decisions. For example, getting a ball in a box or shooting a ball in a hoop. Then design a game that incorporates the criteria and constraints that I've already mentioned. Alright, using the criteria and the constraints, develop a pseudocode for your game. Sketch the flow of your game and decisions that can be made on your paper. Then improve and test your idea. Record what works and what doesn't, what's fun and what's not. Test your algorithms with someone else at home or virtually with a teammate. Reflect as you watch them go through the process how you might improve the directions that you gave them. Discuss with them how you might improve your design to increase your algorithms and directions. Use these reflection questions to see how your project went. How did you use detailed directions for people to complete your game? How did inputs and feedback allow decision-making and different outcomes in the algorithm? When you combined algorithms with feedback, how did it increase innovation in the outcome of your program? What other devices or processes around your home use algorithms?
If you enjoyed this challenge, try designing a smart room in your house using algorithms.